Hello everyone, how are you all? So, are you excited? Have you gone through the sample answers video? And I recommend you one of the videos that is sample answer band 7 video, and another video was writing masterclass. I hope you must have watched these two videos. These are going to tremendously increase your IELTS score when it comes to writing. So please go through these if you have not watched yet. So go through these two videos and let's start this session without wasting further time. And I always look forward to this session, guys, because I know I'm going to meet you all. I'll actually get to know what problems you are facing, and I can help you in this way only. So guys, let's get started. The question is, it is all about a single statement. In this question we actually have a statement only. Okay, so we need to go through this statement. Just try to understand this statement in detail and then we'll proceed further. So what the statement is saying, some people say that advertising encourages us to buy things that we really don't need. Okay, others say that advertisements tell us about new products that may improve our lives. So some people say that advertising encourages us to buy things. Okay, so say advertising encourages, okay, ठीक है, to buy unnecessary things instead of things we do not need. Okay, encourages us to buy things we do not need. Others say that advertisement tell us about new products that may improve our lives. So according to some, advertisements tell about new products, okay, or aware them about new products. Okay, so what exactly can be done here? So they are saying, which viewpoint do you agree with, or the question can be, to what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay, so they have this, what do you think, what is your opinion? Okay, so some say that advertising encourages, ठीक है, advertisements कर सकते हैं, instead of advertising we can write advertisements. Okay, encourages us to buy things we do not need. So that means encourages, ठीक है, or persuades, convince, we can say so, persuades, convince, ठीक है, to buy useless things. Actually things we do not need, we can say useless things. Okay, or we can say promotes unnecessary spendings. ठीक है, so advertisement or advertising promotes unnecessary spendings. We end up buying things we do not actually need. So that's unnecessary spending. What is unnecessary spending? Guys, try to understand this. Unnecessary spending means we are buying things that we do not need. Okay, so artificial needs. Okay, we do not need things, but we are buying just because of the sale on Myntra, just because of the sale on Flipkart, or because of one thing or the other. But what are the sales for? So we're just getting lured by the offers. Okay, we get lured by such offers. This is what happens. So promotes unnecessary spendings. Others say advertisements tell us about new products. So awares us about new commodities, new articles. Okay, so we have understood the question. The question is clearly stating, for some people think advertising, try to make it in easy language, to rephrase the question and make it easy. So some think advertising encourages unnecessary spending, okay, or advertising encourages people to buy unnecessary things. ठीक है, useless things, unnecessary things, things which they do not need. Others say they are telling us about new products. They are telling us not only about new products, but also the offers going on in the market, but also about the bargains going on in the market. Okay. So which point do you agree with? Up guys, I cannot agree with either of two, because I have to be on all sides. Okay. I have to take a side of one of my students, Priyanka, and my other student, Akanksha as well. So मुझे तो दोनों के वे से सोचना है. Priyanka thinks advertising encourages us to buy unnecessary things, whereas Akanksha thinks कि it is awareing us about new products and new bargains. So I have to support both the points. I'm going to tell you the points for first statement and the second statement. Okay, so what is our first question? What do I tell you? I always recommend you to frame a question for body paragraph 1, frame another question for body paragraph 2. It will help you. Yes, it will help you in writing coherently and logically. ठीक है. Task response will never be weak if you're going to write like this. Okay, so let's take body paragraph 1 and how can we frame the question? So how advertising encourages unnecessary spendings. Okay, so how advertising encourages unnecessary spendings. Because what is happening here, some people think advertising encourages us to buy things we do not need. That means we have to give answer for this only, how it is encouraging us to buy things we do not need. Okay, okay. And others say that advertisements tell us about new products. Okay, so next is how or why. Okay, how is it awareing us about new products. Okay, so point is, here we are not doing anything, we are just supporting one point or the other. ठीक है. Why do you think advertising encourages? ठीक है. Why advertising encourages unnecessary spending? How is it encouraging? And why advertisement? How advertisement tell us about new products? So why do you think they are telling us about new products? That we have to just, we just have to be biased towards one opinion and give the view for this only. So I'll have to give the reasons for my first statement and reasons for the second statement. Let us start with the first one here, guys. And the first statement is how advertising encourages unnecessary spending. Okay, some people think this only. How is it spending? So when we actually, what is happening when children, first point, okay, so a lot of adverts, first is a lot of adverts, for advertisements we can write a lot of adverts create, okay, a lot of adverts, yeah, create artificial wants. What are artificial wants? Artificial wants are those which are not actually needed. We are unnecessary buying some things. So these are our artificial needs. These are not our true needs. ये true needs नहीं है. These are our artificial needs. So a lot of adverts create artificial needs. So we need to get rid of these artificial needs. And how are they encouraging unnecessary? Because some adverts are doing so. Okay. So we are just supporting this. Some people say, ठीक है, which viewpoint do you agree with? I support, let's say I support the former one. I support the former. Former is the first one, latter is the last one, जो question के साथ वाला है. So it is latter, latter, former, the previous one. Okay, so some people say advertising encourages us to buy things we really do not need. How can you say so? Matlab simple. How do you think so? How can you say so? Because there are a lot of adverts that creates artificial wants. We do not even require 6 pair of socks, but when we go through some sale, when we see some sale, we get lured by that and we buy six pairs of socks which we actually do not require. So these are the artificial wants. These are the adverts. ये advertisements क्या कर रही हैं? Artificial wants create कर रही हैं. This second thing, when children, when they watch some commercials, okay, some TV advertisements, children get easily, ठीक है, get easily influenced by commercials, easily influenced uh, by TV commercials. Okay, and what is happening because of this? They get easily influenced by TV commercials, and yes, easily influenced by TV commercials. उसकी वजह से then what they do as a result, ठीक है, as a result they pester their parents. पेस्टर करना मतलब होता है किसी को फोर्स करना, बार बार एक ही चीज के लिए मांगते रहना. दैट्स पेस्टरिंग. दे पेस्टर देयर पेरेंट्स टू बाय द सेम प्रोडक्ट, forcing them unknowingly, because they don't even know whether they are doing right or not, but they are just annoyingly asking them for the same thing again and again. So they are pestering their parents. So this is the way how advertising, this is the way they are creating through children. Okay, and what exactly can be written here? Let us write our third point. So what can be written here? Third point, anything in your mind, guys. Basically, if we think about a question like such, we can also say people often buy things, ठीक है? Why are they buying? To flaunt, ठीक है? New gadgets, to show off, social status, to maintain social status. ठीक है? So these are few words which can be used in the third point. Okay, so what people are, people often buy things only to show off in front of their friends or relatives, only to flaunt in front of their friends and relatives. Friends and their relatives. So this is the third point. Guys, you actually do not need 3 points. You just need maximum 2. I always recommend you to go through this define, explain, example strategy. So there are questions when they are asking advantages and disadvantages. In that case, you'll definitely write 2 advantages, 2 disadvantages. But the question is saying what is the cause of this? Then you can write, just mention one cause, and that will be more than enough. Okay, so now coming to the next one, how is it awareing us about new products? So we actually get aware about, we get to know about bargains through the TV commercials. So we get to know about the real bargains. Okay, so we get to know, make us aware about real bargains through TV commercials, ठीक है, or through advertisements, through television ads. We can write anything here. Okay, I'm going to definitely share one more link. I recommended you to go through my sample answer band 7 video. Along with that, I recommended you my master writing class. These 2 classes are actually more than enough. But if a student is facing problem in complex sentences, if you are unable to make complex sentences, go through my bands brew video. Very good technique. It will help you tremendously. Go through that. You can, after watching that video, you'll easily make, you definitely would easily make complex sentences. So go through that. Okay, so first point, how is it awareing us about new products? Make us aware about new real bargains through television ads. Okay, which at times shopkeepers don't even tell. This happens with most, this must have happened with most of us. once or twice in the lifetime. That shopkeepers didn't want to tell us about the particular bargain or about the particular offer, but we got to know about that offer from the television advertisements only. Okay, another thing, this is one of the things, okay? It is providing information, it is also saving us money. As a result, it is saving us money as well. So these two are 1 points only, saving money. Okay, then next is next point, we can actually write bargains का पता चल रहा है, this पता चल रहा है, and then is how is it telling, ठीक है? The advertisement tell us about new product that may improve our lives. So here we can actually give examples of some new products. Okay, we can give example of some new thing. We can give example of latest technology, or we can give example of some vacuum cleaner. Okay, it helped us. ठीक है, you can tell about vacuum cleaner as well कि this saved the life. Anything, you can take example of any product. So how is it awareing, making us aware through television ads, real bargains बता रहे हैं, saving money. Another thing, we get to know about companies as well, whether the company is doing fair trade or not. ठीक है, fair trade, ठीक है, we get to know whether the company is doing fair trade or not through their offers. So let's say one brand is selling brown rice at 120 rupees kg, and this similar brand, some other brand is selling this at 250 rupees per kg. We are getting similar product, the quality is same. So what exactly is happening? We can actually get to know which company is promoting fair trade through this. So it is awareing about new product, but also helping us in realizing the company or getting to know about the company which is doing fair trade. Okay, so we can easily say consumers can easily find out if a company supports fair trade or not. So consumers can easily find out if a company supports fair trade. Fair trade means they are not actually, what is happening, they are not looting the customers, they are not charging more than the price of the particular product. ठीक है, they are not charging them more. So that we get to know through these. So up question pe, back to the question. So some people say advertising encourages us to buy things that we really do not need. Artificial wants, artificial needs, unnecessary spending. It is definitely true. I support the former view for sure, because it happened with many of us, and I have also been a person who bought one thing or the other but did not even use it. I bought it just for the sake of buying it, and I thought that it is in trend, I thought it will help. But yes, we buy unnecessary things when we go through some sale, and when we are browsing internet for hours, when we are browsing some shopping website for hours, we buy one thing or the other. So these are encouraging us to buy unnecessary things. I support this view, and I'm going to write my opinion in conclusion as well as in intro. In intro, I'll just state my opinion. In conclusion, I'm going to rephrase my opinion and mentioning the topics or mentioning the points, ठीक है, same points as mentioned in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. That's actually we are going to do here. Okay, so body paragraph 1 we got to know artificial wants creating, get easily influenced by TV commercial. ठीक है, definitely artificial wants हो रही हैं क्योंकि we watch one thing or the other through some sales. ठीक है, a lot of adverts or some sales. ठीक है, lure us, sales. ठीक है, offers lure us to buy useless things. Okay, how is it awareing? Definitely tell us about new bargains through television ads, make us aware about the company which is doing fair trade or not. Consumer can easily get to know whether the company is doing fair trade or not. But here you can actually write one point as well. If you do not support this point more, so you can just write this point. Okay, yes, it is helping in saving money, although if you are partially supporting this, you can actually write although. जब भी दो views आ जाए, you can use although. So in conclusion, although we get to know, although we are buying useless things, but मैं support कर रही हूँ former view को. So what will I be writing? In conclusion, although these companies are awareing us about new products, new bargains, new offers, ठीक है, and they are helping us in saving money, comma, they are creating unnecessary wants, and we end up buying useless articles for our homes or for our life. So that's what we can write clearly. Conclusion mein we can state so. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. Please go through two videos, sample answer band 7 and masterclass on writing. If you have any doubts related to writing, those two videos will help you a lot. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.